welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, I hope you all might be exciting today to learn the shortcut for today. Friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. Friends, now we are starting with a new series called hashtag shortcut, in which we are covering the short tricks which are used in the various chapters which are asked in the examinations like NDA, Air Force, Navy, JEE and many more. So in this video we are going to learn some important formulas, and these formulas are not mentioned in your NCERT, but questions are directly asked from this formula in those examinations which I mentioned, and it is a must remember formula. Please आप एग्ज़ाम जाने के पहले ये फॉर्मूले मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि इससे क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली एग्ज़ाम में अपीयर हो जाते हैं और आपको बहुत बेनिफिट होंगे. सो यहाँ पे मेंशन है डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन एग्जामिनेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, पहली फार्मूले की ओर बढ़ते हैं. फर्स्ट फार्मूला इज tan 45 प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा प्लस sin थीटा बाई cos थीटा माइनस sin थीटा. हियर हाउ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड, लाइक हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ this theta they would give 9. For example, 9 is given here, 9 9 9 9. They would ask find the value of cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9. Then what will do? If you remember the formula directly, you can add 45 plus 9, which will become tan 54 is your required answer. See how simple, just 1 second formula, just you need to add 45 plus 9. Moving on to the next formula, our next formula is the same formula of previous formula only, but here instead of plus we have got minus. So if here it is minus, then we will have cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So here the answer would be again similar. For example, if here it is 9 9 9 9, then in answer also we will get 45 minus 9, which will become 36. So it will become tan 36. And friends, believe me, I am saying these two questions which I told you now, this has appeared directly in the examinations like National Defence Academy, and people were unsure about that what formula should they use to find the answer. But now you will be able to find this answer in just 1 second only. So moving over to the next formula. Next formula says that if sum of all three angles A plus B plus C is pi by 2, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is directly 1. Another thing is cot A cot B, cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A cot B into cot C. And this is again one type of formula where direct questions appear in the examination, where they would give the value of A as some angle, B as some angle, C as some angle, and if you add them it will come pi by 2, and they would directly ask you what is tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. So in this regard you no need to waste time, you just mark the option which has 1 as the answer. Same comes with this cot wala question as well. So friends, I hope you would have enjoyed these two direct formulas which are asked in the examination. Another thing is that we are moving on to the third formula, which again seems very very important, and this has come in the National Defence Examination in the year 2021 as well. So this formula will be applied only when A plus B is 180 or A minus B is 180. So if A plus B or A minus B is 180, then cos A plus cos B is 0. Direct answer. You need to take up direct answer for here. For example, they would give that if A minus B is 180, find cos A plus cos B. You need to directly tick the answer 0. This is again direct question in exam. Direct question, it has come in the National Defence Academy exam. See, this is very very much important. So moving on to the next formula. This is a 3 set of formula which is not mentioned in the NCERT or even in most of the guides also. These 3 formulas are not mentioned. please don't go to the exam hall without studying these kind of formulas. It is very much important. Here if question is coming like sin 60 minus theta, if this format it is coming, and it is coming, it has come, ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन जरूर आते हैं एग्जाम में, एक ने एक, ऑलमोस्ट इन ऑल दी नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी एग्जामिनेशन इन एवरी ईयर. इस टाइप से आइदर साइन वाला कभी कभी आ जाएगा, कभी कॉस वाला आ जाएगा, कभी कभी tan वाला आ जाएगा. ये तीनों में से एक क्वेश्चन तो आना ही आना है नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी में, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. सो वहाँ पे आप मतलब क्वेश्चन देखते ही घबरा मत जाइएगा, क्योंकि अभी जो मैं फार्मूले बताने जा रहा हूँ आप इसको सीख लीजिए. tan 60 माइनस थीटा इंटू साइन 60 माइनस थीटा इंटू साइन थीटा इंटू साइन 60 प्लस थीटा, it is equal to sin 3 theta by 4. This is again one of the important formulae. Second formula, cos 60 minus theta into cos theta into cos 60 plus theta. It will become again cos 3 theta by 4. See, these two formulae look slightly similar. Just here it is sin and here it is cos, and here again sin 3 theta, here it is cos. So these three formula you can easily remember. Then coming over to the third formula of this kind, it is with the tan 60 minus theta into tan theta into tan 60 plus theta, it will become tan 3 theta. See, I would tell you how questions will be asked. For example, if this say you to find the value of tan 50, tan 10, tan 70. If they say you to find this answer, then see, you can easily compare with this formula. This is tan 60 minus 10, this is tan 60 minus 10, then this is tan 10, this is tan 60 plus 10. Then here what will you write? Tan 3 theta, so it will become tan 3 into 10, so 30. So what is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is your desired answer. See how simple it was. You solved it within some 2 to 3 seconds only, if you know this formula. So only I am saying, please do not enter the exam hall without reading this set of formulae. So next, another important, and it is a kind of fear creating, like it creates fear in the mind of all the aspirant, is finding the period of the trigonometric ratios. So you need to keep in mind about all the period. Like for sin x the period is 2 pi, for cos x again 2 pi, cosecant x 2 pi, secant x 2 pi, tan x pi, cot x pi. For tan and cot x alone we have pi, but for remaining all other 4 trigonometric ratio the period is pi. This is again direct question. It has appeared in 2019 2. In 2019 2 NDA examinations, direct 3 questions came. 3 question came in 2019 2 NDA examination. So please remember this formula. Then what about if they ask period of the mod function? Period of mod function for all trigonometric ratio is pi only. See, you can say mod of sin x, mod of cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x question. For all the trigonometric function in the mod, the period is pi only. So moving on to the last formula of today is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 by sin 2 theta. This is very much important. Direct question in previous year are asked. So please do not enter the exam hall before seeing this formula. So friends, please comment in the video how you enjoyed the video and do comment in the section that on which chapter you want the next video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and suggest this channel to your friend also who are an hardcore aspirant of the defense examinations and also various other competitive examinations like CTET and others where trigonometric is a part of their syllabus. So thank you for tuning till the end. Jai Hind.